All right, so here's the exhaust and the makeup air ductwork for the rooftop units, and we ran into an issue. You can see when the roofers cut through the membrane, there should not be, but there is two conduits between the old roof and the new roof, I guess how to say it. So you can see the layers of roofing are, that's a gypsum, that 2-inch thick almond colored board, and then above that is a asphalt layer, and that's what you can see has the rocks on top of it. And then on top of that is this ISO board. Looks like it's about 1.25 inches, maybe 1.5 inches thick. And then on top of that, the EPDM rubber. And of course, when they cut through this conduit. So what we're going to do is just use some electrical tape and some wire nuts, cap it off, and then try to figure out and chase the conduit and see what breaker or panel it's coming from.